got the new Insta360 Mic Air delivered, and I'm pretty happy that I got that to try it out. So that is the mic you're listening to right now. And I guess if I'm doing this video, that means it sounds good enough to at least do a video. It does hook up to Bluetooth, but there are settings so that you can turn off the noise cancellation. So I'm hoping we can still hear the engine roar, and I'm hoping my voice doesn't sound too digital. You are able to adjust the noise cancellation on this. So that was my gripe that I had when I first received the camera, that I couldn't connect my DJI Mic Mini properly. You could connect it, it connected fine, but the noise cancellation was way too steep and it blocked out everything. So I'm hoping on this new Mic Air it kind of fixes that problem. Come on, it's 40 miles an hour, guy. We can go faster than this. Anyway, while we're cruising nice and slow here, we'll talk about the new Insta360 Mic Air. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It's like under $50, so that's pretty cool. And if this sounds good, then it would be a great option if you want to pick up the Insta360 X5 and you're doing moto vlogs. You can put it in your helmet. That's where I have it. And there is no other connection other than directly connected Bluetooth right to the camera. But we got to see how it sounds. My only other option after this is to wait for the mic adapter to come and go back to using my DJI Mic Mini, which does sound awesome. So I might still do that. I gotta see how this is actually going to sound. This would be a very easy, quick way to do moto vlogs. And how I have this in my helmet is it comes with a bunch of different magnets to put on different things. I super glued a magnet in my helmet, so all I have to do is take the helmet out. Like, the magnet is always going to be inside my helmet, but you know, I can just pop the mic off and charge it. It does charge by its own little, it comes with a USB charger, which is all magnetic. So I can't really give you my opinion on how it sounds until I get back and I see how everything comes together when I get into editing. So I'm just going to take you out on a fun ride today. Oh, and they put grass all over the road. I got my Michelin Road 6 tires on here, so they're going to handle it all right. Moo cows on the hill. Look at all that. That gravel right there is going to be a lot worse than grass in the road. What do you guys think? Do you like how this mic sounds? Does it sound real? You know, I mentioned in my last video, I want to sound real. I don't care if I sound a little bit flawed, that's okay. That's what I'm kind of a flawed person. I'm just trying to find the best way to bring audio to you guys, and then I can tell you guys, you know, if you're out looking for equipment, maybe I can give you some tips on what you need to look for. You know, the X5 camera's pretty good, but I think it was important for me to let you know that the Bluetooth microphones don't always sound good when you connect them. Maybe this one does. I also am working on trying to get the camera mounted so I have less shake, so I don't know if I have less or more shake in this video. I had somebody tell me that if I mount my camera more on a vertical than a horizontal, I'll get less shake, so it is slightly more vertical right now. It kind of makes sense, but it looks like it's really shaking in front of me more than it did before, so we'll have to see what the footage looks like. I am trying to bring you guys very stable footage too, so it's a trial and error thing, so it'll help you guys out too if you're looking to find the best way to mount an Insta360 camera on your sport bike. If you like it out in front of you like I do, there is a lot of shake and bounce that you get sometimes, just depending on how you have it mounted. And I do like it out in front of me like I have it right there, because I think it just gives a good perception, but then I get a lot of the shake. The shake and the bounce, which is what I'm trying to eliminate. My CFMOTO 450 SS is due for another oil change, and I bought the CFMOTO oil kit, and they give you the oil filter, the crush washer, 3 quarts of oil. From what I understand, you're better off to use genuine CFMOTO parts, like even when it comes to your oil filter. I know there's a K&N filter that people have used, and they say it fits, but people have had problems with it then later on. So you're better off to just stay with the CFMOTO parts right now. You get everything you need in the oil change kit. I'll actually put a link to the oil change kit in the description of this video. You can also get it from your local dealer. They may have it in stock, they might have to order it. Make sure you get the one for your bike. I think they make different kits. Make sure yours is for the CFMOTO 450 SS or whatever you ride. Make sure that it says it's the proper kit so you get the right oil filter. Because you know, if you put the wrong oil filter on, you're going to have an oil leak. You can't blame the manufacturer if you put on the wrong parts. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but the Yoshi exhaust, the Yoshimura AT2 slip-on exhaust sounds really good. Like, seems like it had to break in a little bit. When I first got it, I knew it sounded good. Now it has some nice cracks and pops when I let off. 77 degrees out. It feels so good. I could ride from here across country today. It feels that good. So anyway, guys, kind of a short video here, but let me know what you think about the audio quality. How does my voice sound using the Insta360 Mic Air? I might still go back to the DJI Mic Mini. My audio adapter for the mic on the X5 has shipped, so I should receive that anytime now. Thank you always for watching. Bye-bye.